Hello student, now we are going to learn AutoCAD Array Command. Array command means creates multiple copies of object in a pattern. Array command mainly three types: rectangular array, polar array and path array. Array command shortcut key or keyboard shortcut AR. Okay, now we learn AutoCAD rectangular array. Rectangular array means creates an array of rows and columns of copies of selected object. Copy object with row and column. AR enter, next select object, next enter, then R enter. This is the object we create rectangular array. First we type AR, array command shortcut, enter, select object, we select object, enter. Now enter type of array, R, enter. Here column of the array, by default column of the array 4 and row of the array 3. We change this. Column of the array we change 8. Here distance between column by default 30. We change this 40. Okay, now by default row is 3 and distance between row is 30. We change this 50. Now the row distance between row 50 and we change number of row 4. Okay, now number of row is 4 and number of column is 8. Distance between column 40. We type distance command, DI, enter, center first point, center to center distance, specify second point, center, distance is 40. Okay, now again type DI, distance command. Now center distance, center to center distance, click the center and click adjacent row, the center point, distance is 50. Okay, it is clear, my student? Now we learn AutoCAD polar array. Polar array means creates an array by copying the selected object around a specified center. We array this red object around the specified center. We first type AR, enter array command shortcut, then select object, enter. Then for polar array we type PO, enter, then click at center point. Now we type array command shortcut AR, enter, select object, we select this object, next enter. Now enter type of array, PO, PO means polar array, enter. Specify center point of array, this is the center point. Okay. By default, number of array object 6. Here we change the item, number of array 8, then it is 8, angle of fill 360, angle to fill 360. If we change this angle to fill 180, then it is in this way array within the 180. Okay, it is clear. Now we learn AutoCAD path array. Path array means creates an array by copies of the selected object along a path or a portion of a path. We type AR, array command shortcut, enter, select object, enter, then PA for path array, PA, enter, then select the path. This is the object. We make path array and this is the path. For path array we type AR, array command shortcut, select object, we select this object, enter, enter array type path array. For path array PA, enter, select path curve, this is the path, we select this. Now we change the distance between array object. By default it is number of array is 14. If we change the distance, change distance 60, then number of array 11. If we change the distance 80, then number of array is 8. If we change the distance 100, then number of array is 7. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.